Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to sell digital products on Amazon? In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and list digital products on Amazon so you can reach a larger audience and boost your sales. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, as you might know, that Amazon is one of the largest marketplaces in the world. Having a chance to sell on it will give you millions and millions, if not billions, of customers that might visit and have a chance to go throughout one of your products. Now, if you don't know already, Amazon started the opportunity to sell digital products. Now, what do I mean with digital products? First of all, and then how can we start selling a digital product through Amazon? This is what this video is going to be about. So, first of all, we're going to be going throughout some articles so we can understand the architecture of Amazon. So, what digital product can you sell on Amazon? So, on Amazon, you can start selling ebooks. If you don't know, you might find in Amazon different kind of books. And these books, as you can see here, they are not gonna be delivered to you as like physical products, but it will be delivered to you as a PDF, which you will be able to read. Now that varies depending on where you are buying it. If you are buying it through Amazon.com directly, then you should check if it is an ebook or not. If it is an ebook, basically that means that you are going to buy it simply as digital product, not as physical. Also, Amazon has graphics and digital arts, so you can buy literary arts, flowers, etc. You can buy also music. So for musicians, Amazon offers TuneCore, which is a part of Amazon Music. Throughout TuneCore, musicians can upload their songs and make them instantly available for Amazon. It's basically just like Spotify, where musicians upload their music and start making money through the audience listening to them. This is exactly, but it's on Amazon. So this is something that you can sell as well. I think for graphics and digital art, that's pretty much makes sense. There is apps and games. The Amazon App Store allows sellers to distribute their app or game to millions of Amazon devices in over 230 countries. So in case you have an app that you would like Amazon users to have, well, you could literally upload it on the Amazon App Store and start selling your apps right there. There's the audiobooks. So audiobooks are pretty much just like books, but you're not really reading the book, but instead of that you are listening to someone who's reading the book for you. So let's say that you don't have time to read the book, you want something to be in the background while you are working, then that's something that you can go for. And we have the videos. So if you create and produce movies, short films or shows, you can offer your creations on Prime Video Direct. Can be a great way to reach larger audiences throughout Prime Video. Now, what are the benefits of selling digital products on Amazon? So we have, as we said at the beginning, a wide customer base. You can gain access to millions of potential customers with Amazon's built-in customer base on all platforms. For example, with KDP or Merch on Demand, your digital product will be listed on Amazon.com. Trust and credibility. Customers love and trust Amazon because they know their purchase will be protected in case something goes wrong. Leverage their reputable brand to build trust with buyers. Instant gratification. With most of these options, minus Amazon Merch on Demand, customers can access your digital products immediately after purchase. No inventory costs. Since digital products are intangible, there is no need to invest in physical inventory like you would with a regular Amazon FBA business. There is automated delivery, since Amazon handles distribution of digital files and printing of your merchant books. Since you don't have to actually contact the client after he buys from you, you simply, once you are uploading the product on the product page, which we will show you, you will simply just upload. For example, here I have an Excel sheet. This was for a video about Etsy, but let's say this is your digital product. You are selling templates for Excel. What you could do, you will simply just upload this product and wait, and the moment someone buys and the payment proceeds, they will get the product download on their PC directly. So this is something pretty good that will help you a lot and help the customer also to instantly have their product between their hands. There is global availability. You can reach customers around the world without the need for a physical presence in multiple countries. And it is easy scalability. With these platforms, you can list as many products as you want to sell, expand your digital product offerings without the constraints of physical production. Now, how to sell on digital products on Amazon? First of all, you have to create an account on Amazon. So research, first of all, as we said, you have to research opportunities or validate ideas, so we don't really need anything about that. And then we have to create our content and do much more. So let's get to work. So here we need to go to Amazon as seller. So you might go to Amazon seller in your tab, or simply go all the way down here and search for sell products on Amazon. So sell on Amazon, sell products on Amazon. So click right here. And as you can see here, there is this page. But guys, make sure that you choose the correct thing, because there's so many ways to make money with them. There is like products on Amazon, there is sell on Amazon business, there is sell apps on Amazon. So make sure to choose which kind of thing you would like to go for. For example, for apps, you would go for sell on Amazon, so you can be on the Amazon App Store website. In case you would like to go with products, which we are going to do today, then click on the first link. Then after we did that, we have to simply click on sign up, and we need to create our account. After that, we will be receiving an OTP code. Normally they will send you like an OTP code, and we have to go through these steps. So we have 5 steps that we have to go for, that we need to basically make and go through and complete. After we arrive to the fourth, which is the 4th step, make sure to choose a digital product as your main product, not physical. Now I can get there since Amazon Seller Central doesn't allow my country in their basically website. So once I get to the billing, they will kick me out. So once you get to the 4th step, simply click on the digital product, add your product, which is gonna be your digital product, upload it, give it a title, description, and a price, and you will be good to go. Then you will get to the verification step, where you have to wait a couple of days. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.